So in order to assign the tolerance value for these dimensions what are present in the top view, we can simply click on the model, and when we are clicking on any dimension we can see the tolerances are hidden. So in order to activate it, we can go to File, Options. Under Options we have to go to Configuration Editor, and we can see that tolerance display is hidden. So if you're not finding this tolerance display, you can simply go to Show and click the drop down list and select all options. So here you can find the tolerance. It is as per the alphabetical order. Standard table tall display. So tall display is a tolerance display. It is presently selected to no, and you can just click on the drop down and select yes. So I'll just press OK right now. I have to press yes again and I have to save the config file. Now you can see that I'll just click on the geometry, double click over here, and you can see the tolerance is activated over here. So I can assign, I'll just go to the full view because it is more clear over here. We can see over here we can assign the tolerances for the 70 value. Okay, so presently it is basic. We can assign the limits over here, 70.01 or 69.99. We can write in the form of plus and minus as well. So let us see how do we have in the geometry. It is in the form of plus minus. This is symmetric form. Clear. So whatever is the value we can just assign it. So it is presently 70 doesn't have it, actually 35 is having. I mean the other distances are having. This is with respect to the holes actually. So I need not click on the overall outer side model. I have to click on the dimensions of the hole. So this is 35, right? I have selected control button and I've selected the other hole, 35 plus or minus 0.2. So I'll just double click on 70, 35 and go to tolerance. I'll write symmetric over here and we can just change the value as 0.2. Press enter. You can see that the value has been changed. So this is the way we can assign the tolerances. So generally we don't have the tolerances mentioned in the previous drawing what we have worked, but in some kind of geometries they will be assigning the tolerance value as well, especially for the features such as hole and all. So this is the procedure for working with the tolerances as well. Now let us move forward and discuss the next sample exercise.